Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain the second implementation class of the list interface, and it is a linked list class, and it defines on the linked list data structure. So it has the two data node on it, as we can see on this figure. And if we like we want the insertion orders are preserved, means in which order we store the objects, and in that order we get the object. So we can easily go for the linked list class. And in the linked list, duplicates are allowed, and we can also store the heterogeneous as a list as compared to the list, and the null values are also allowed. But in a linked list, it's only implements the serializable and clonable. It's not implements the random access interface. So now we can say that the best choice, and when we add or remove, and the worst choice is when for the searching. So let me give the brief explanation. So it's the linked list data structure. The we have the first value, and this each and every data node it's contain the address of the next data node. So this data node contains the address of the next, and this data node contains the address of the next. So from this we can easily go from each and every node and get the values from the address. So now if we want to add some data node in between the first and two, then easily we can simply pass that address to the next data node, and the next data node simply pass the address to the next data node. So we don't have to increase or decrease the indexes as per compared to the array list. So when we frequent operation is add or remove, then we can easily go for the linked list. But now if you want to find the searching, then if you want to find the first data or last data, then in the linked list we have the methods. But now if you want to find the data in between, like we have the 10,000, and if you want to find the 5,000, so at that time it will go from first to the 5,000. So it will go to the first, it will go to the second, then third and fourth. So for the searching operation it will take lots of time. So it's not recommended to use linked list on your if your figured operation is search. So in the linked list we only have the two constructor. The first constructor default, and the second is we can easily uh, convert any collections objects in a linked list object. And particularly for the linked list we have server methods. It's only for the linked list. If we want to add the element on the first, then we have the add first. If we want to add elements on the last, means object, we have the add last. If you want to get the element from the first or last, we have the get first or get last. Or if you want to remove the element from the first and the last element, then we can easily like remove first or remove last. So I hope with this video can help you to understand. In the next session, I'm going to explain the vectors and the Java class tag. So see you in the next one.